Hello mga kawaumat, in this video we will discuss patterns all around. So discovering designs in art and nature. So our objectives: first, identify patterns found in art and nature through visual inspection. Number two, classify patterns into categories such as spiral, symmetry, tessellations, repetition, and fractals. And number three, describe observed patterns using appropriate mathematical and artistic vocabulary. So we have an activity. So the title of our activity is Pattern Detective Challenge. So you're going to look closely at each picture shown, then you write down what type of pattern you think it is: spiral, symmetry, repetition, tessellation, or fractal. And after that, you will describe in one sentence what you see in terms of color, shape, and arrangement. Okay, so let's start. So for picture number one, it's a butterfly. So what pattern? Okay, it is a symmetry. So bilateral symmetry. Okay, so according to the pictures, the left and right wings mirror each other in shape, color, and design. So tinatawag rin siya as mirror design, no, yung butterfly. So once is a bilateral symmetry in which an object, no, has two sides that are mirror images of each other. So kagaya ng human body, so isa daw sa mga halimbawa ng bilateral symmetry is yung human body. Another picture. Okay, so nakakita na ba kayo ng ganyan? Or nakapunta ka na kayo sa lugar na may ganyan? Okay, kasi ako hindi pa, no? So this picture also is an example of symmetry. So tinatawag naman tong radial symmetry. So the design radiates outward from the center with six identical branches. So tinatawag din yung radial as rotational. No? Yung ibang tawag sa radial is rotational. This is where there is a center point and numerous line of symmetry could be drawn. So the most obvious geometric example would be this. So it would be a circle. So another picture. Okay, so ano yung pattern? This is spiral. Okay, so the shell curves outward smoothly, increasing in size while maintaining the shape. Another picture. Okay, nakakita na ba kayo niyan? So this is an example of tessellation. So yung picture na pinapakita, this is Islamic tile patterns. So ang daming Islamic tile patterns. So kung pag nag-search lang kayo, iba-iba yung Islamic tile pattern. So this is an example of tessellation, no? Repeating geometric shapes fit together without gaps, forming a continuous pattern. Another picture. I think you are familiar with the picture, sunflower, no? So, ang focus natin dito sa picture is yung seed ng sunflower. So, this is an example of spiral also, but it is a Fibonacci sequence. So, this sunflower, the seeds of sunflower, is an example of Fibonacci sequence, yung spiral, okay? The seeds are arranged in spirals, radiating from the center with numbers often matching by Fibonacci numbers. So, yung Fibonacci numbers, that is a pattern, or kung kukunin natin yung next pattern, you need to add the two previous numbers. Okay, so yung susunod na lesson natin is about Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so when say pattern, so it is an arrangement of objects, shapes, numbers, colors, or movements that follow a certain rule or regularity. So we can find them by inspection, meaning we use our eyes and observation skills rather than complicated tools or formulas. So patterns help us first predict what comes next, appreciate beauty in art and nature, and understand mathematical relationship in our surroundings. So, pattern in art, so yung first picture natin, that's woven fabrics from Cordillera. So, yung mga native natin from Cordillera. And the second picture, that is Islamic tile art, yung iba't ibang Islamic tile art. And yung number two is the mandalas design. Okay? So, pag sinerch nyo rin yung mandalas design, napakarami ng pwedeng ibigay sa inyo design. So patterns in nature. So nature shows pattern in many ways. Spirals in seashells, symmetry in leaves, stripes in animals, or repeating waves in the sea. So these patterns often serve purpose like camouflage, attracting mates, or maximizing growth efficiency. So when describing patterns, we usually mention, okay, the shape, okay, it's circle, square, spiral, or triangle. The color, it is repeated shades or gradients. Arrangement, if this is alternating, symmetrical, random, but still recognizable, or shrinking, or increasing, growing, or decreasing, no? Okay, depende sa pattern. Okay, direction, it's either horizontal, vertical, diagonal, and rotating. So next, okay, so here are some, no, patterns in nature. So the fractals. Okay, a fractal is a rough or fragmented geometric shape that can be subdivided in parts, each of which is at least approximately a reduced size copy of the whole. So this is an example of a fractals. Next, okay, so the honeycomb. So, a near perfect example of hexagon in nature is the honeycomb. So, may mga tanong, bakit daw hexagon yung ginamit ng bees as bahay nila, no? Why not triangle, circle? So, ang sagot is para ma-maximize, okay, yung spaces na walang gaps dapat makikita. Okay? Kaya hexagon yung ginamit nila. Okay, another on the tiger stripes and hyena spot. So patterns exhibited in the external appearances of animals. So the tiger looks and hyena spot. These seemingly random designs are believed to be governed by mathematical equation. So according to the theory of Alan Turing, the chemical factors in the cell determine growth patterns and influence factors like hair color. So there are two chemical processes, the reaction and diffusion. Also in the flower petals. So flowers are easily considered as things of beauty. So flowers with five petals are to be the most common. So the number of petals are all Fibonacci numbers. Okay, so for example, a tile pattern shows a sequence of shapes, triangle, square, and so on. So continuous, no, yung pattern. So what is the 10th shape? Okay, since the patterns alternates between triangle and square, so we can say that the odd position, that is the triangle, and the even position is the square. So since 10 is even number, so therefore the 10th shape is a square. Okay? Another example. Okay? A beaded necklace repeats this sequence of colors, blue, green, yellow. So may tatlong kulay na involved na nauulit. What will be the 15 beads color? Okay, so the pattern like it repeats. Since 15, no, yung kinukuha natin, so we try to divide it by 3. So 15 divided by 3, the answer is 5. And there is no remainder. So kapag ang 0 daw yung remainder, ibig sabihin nun, that is the last pattern will be yung last dun sa binigay na pattern, and that is yellow. So therefore, yung pang 15, meaning the 15 beads color is yellow. Okay, so tatandaan niyo lang, so kapag nag-divide tayo, okay, nung kinukuha nating next pattern, at zero yung lumabas, ay wala palang remainder, okay, and that is zero, so ibig sabihin, the last pattern will be the answer. Okay, so kagaya ng example number 2. Another example, the petal arrangement of a flower follows this pattern: 3 petals, 5 petals, 8 petals, 13 petals. So if the pattern continues, how many petals will the sixth flower have? So ito ay halimbawa ng Fibonacci sequence, no? Para makakuha yung susunod, ina-add natin yung dalawang previous numbers. So kagaya nito, kagaya nung 8. So, para makuha yung 8, in-add si 3 and 5. Ganun yung 13, in-add si 5 and 8. So, yung pang 6, 6, no? 6 yung tinatanong natin. So, nag-start siya sa 3, 5, 8, 13. So, yung pang 5 is 21. Pang-anim yung 34. So, therefore, 34 petals, yung pang 6 flowers. Okay? I hope medyo may nasusundan kayo. Okay, so let us proceed now for the practice exercises. So I will be showing you a figures, then huhulaan nyo kung ano yung next pattern. So which of the figures can be used to continue the series given below? Okay, it's letter A, B, C, or D. I'll give you 10 seconds for that. Okay, I hope nakuha nyo na yung sagot. Proceed tayo sa number 2. Okay, so paki-check kung ano yung next na pattern. So again, 10 seconds for that. Okay, so number 3. So which of the shapes below continues the sequence? 10 seconds for that. Okay, next. Number 4. Uh, So another 10 seconds for that. Okay, last. Okay, I hope nasagutan niyo yung limang practice exercises natin. Okay, so let us check your answer now. So for number 1, that is letter D. Number 2, 3, and 4, the answer is letter C. And number 5, letter A. If you have a questions, okay, or what is the reason why that is the answer, so pwede nyo i-comment sa video na to. Okay, so sasagutin ko yan. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something and see you for our next video.